This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, August 4th, 2014. This briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for the most updated information. The overview for the next week mainly features above normal temperatures. This afternoon and evening brings temperatures in the 90s and triple digits, along with a chance for thunderstorms in the mountains around the region. Tuesday and Wednesday will continue the hot temperature trend while also seeing increased winds through the Cascade Gaps. A slight chance for thunderstorms will also be possible in the Idaho Panhandle Mountains Tuesday afternoon and into the evening. Thursday and Friday brings a bit of relief in the temperatures, with highs only reaching the 80s and 90s under mostly sunny skies. This weekend will once again bring a return to heat, with a ridge of high pressure reasserting itself over the region. A major storm system impacted the inland Northwest on Saturday, August 2nd. Impacts were wide-ranging, including watercraft and property damage to new fire starts and thousands without power. To help us evaluate the damage from these storms, we need your help. If you have any reports of damage or significant weather, please notify us by email at the email address listed or by phone at 509-244-0110. We appreciate any and all reports. And here's a summary map of the warnings that were issued by the NWS Spokane office between August 1st and August 3rd. Looking at our weather for the early part of the work week, the Climate Prediction Center has highlighted much of the area for much above normal temperatures. This looks to prove true as we will continue to see 90s and triple digits for most. Wednesday brings some relief with highs only in the upper 80s to upper 90s. We will once again be dealing with fire weather concerns Tuesday and Wednesday. Low humidity values coupled with breezy winds will likely lead to a fire weather watch being issued for the Cascade Gaps and Valleys. The most critical times look to be Tuesday afternoon and into the evening hours. These conditions will bring the potential for rapid fire growth, and as always, check for burn restrictions before starting any outdoor burning. Temperatures will finally dip closer back to seasonal averages as we move towards the end of the week. As our flow pattern becomes more zonal, cooler air is able to infiltrate the region. Mid-80s to mid-90s is all the cool down we get, and even with the cooler temperatures, the dry air mass will still keep fire weather concerns elevated. Models appear to have come into better agreement, reasserting the ridge of high pressure for the weekend. This brings warmer and drier air back into the inland Northwest. So what does this mean for us? Temperatures will once again rise back above normal, and any chance for precipitation at this point looks very minimal. The impact summary for the week is pretty bland, with the main talking point being continued above normal temperatures. Fire weather watch is likely for Tuesday due to gusty winds and low relative humidities for the Cascade Gaps and Valleys. The only notable cool down will be at the end of the work week as temperatures only drop back towards seasonal averages. The weekend will once again bring hot conditions back to the inland Northwest. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center calls for more of the same early in August. This outlook is valid from August 12th to August 18th. Above average temperatures over Washington, Oregon, and California still looks to be valid for this outlook. The outlook for precipitation also follows previous trends of below normal for the entire region. As always, you can stay informed with the Weather Service. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.